Data in Ghana is very expensive, and in this video I'm going to show you how I am able to browse for free with just my smartphone. And you do not need any technical knowledge or any technical know-how to be able to do this. This is very simple. You just need to follow the steps that I am about to show you in this video. So make sure you watch each and every bit of this video. Make sure you do not skip any part of this video, because what I might show you might not work if you decide to skip. So watch this video to the very end, and I'm going to show you how you can be able to browse on your phone for completely free with a very secret app that I am about to show you in a minute. My name is Apia Mera. Let's get right into it. Alright, so as I said earlier, data in Ghana is very expensive, and to get about 1 gigabyte of data in this country, you'd need to have spent about 10 Ghana cedis of your hard-earned money on data. And so with this trick that I'm about to show you, you would be able to browse for completely free using a VPN. Now you might ask, how does a VPN work, and how is the VPN able to provide you with quote-unquote free internet? So now let me explain this to you. Now you see, when you buy data, this is how it works. When you buy data, and let's say you're trying to visit www.google.com, when you search for it on your browser like Google Chrome, it then sends a message to your network service provider asking if you have bundle and if it is permitted, or if they allow it that you have enough bundle to visit that particular site. Then they allow that portal to be open for you to visit. And so same thing applies everywhere. But then there are certain websites that you can browse for completely free. An example is the MTN website, the Telecel website that you can use to visit and purchase your data or whatsoever. These websites are called zero charge services, and this is how the VPN works. The VPN is able to trick your network service provider into thinking that whichever service you're running is a zero charge website, and so they will not charge you for that. And so let me demonstrate to you on my phone. Now currently on my phone, let me open the social media apps and show you that I do not have any bundle yet. So let me go to YouTube. Now you notice that YouTube is not loading on my phone. It is not coming. Let me open Instagram and show you. Instagram is not also loading as well. There's nothing showing. And as you can see on top here, the no data symbol is there. And so what we're going to do is to go onto our Play Store, and we're going to download this app called Lytron VPN, as you can see on your screen. For context, this does not work on iOS devices, so my Apple fanboys, I am completely sorry. But then for Android, go into the Play Store, download Lytron Pro with this icon that you can see on your screen. Once you've downloaded the app, just open the app and then click on later. Now you can see that there is GH 800 megabytes daily free server. And what you can see is start here. Now, before we click on start, I would want to walk you through the app and show you some things on the interface on the app. So when you click on the hamburger icon right here, you can see custom server, release notes, update resources, settings, mobile network, hotspot theta, which means that this app can be able to hotspot other apps when you connect to this VPN. Most VPNs do not work, but then the good thing about this is that you can be able to also hotspot other people using this VPN. And so there is that. Then share app, Telegram channel, clear data. And so what I want you to do is to come over here to mobile network, and then you can see that it automatically detects the mobile network, your IMEI, your phone number, your data type, the current network that you are on, etc. But then I'm going to blur this for security reasons. Once you're here, you can also come over here to the settings and then make sure that you toggle all of these settings on if they are off. So forward UDP turned on, forward DNS, CPU wake lock is turned on. Now once you're here, make sure that your status is disconnected, and then you click on start. Once you click on start, you see that the locks start opening, and then it starts running and connecting to the locks. So you just need to give it a few moments for it to fully connect to all the locks, and then you are going to start enjoying the free internet. So what you notice here is that it disconnects and connects so many times. So what it does is that it is connecting to different servers to find the suitable one for you, or the one with the best services. And so it will continuously disconnect and connect. This takes approximately 1 minute. This takes approximately 1 minute to fully set up. And so once it's done, you would be able to connect to your internet. So let's just wait for it to finish connecting, and then we move on. Now, if you try and it's not connecting, you can also click on the trash can icon to clear all the logs and then start again. And so just make sure that it is connecting. Make sure it is connecting. Now, when you come back to the home, you notice that it is showing connecting. The status is at connecting, and so it has not connected yet. When it connects, you are going to see that there is going to be a VPN icon showing on top of your phone. Right. So as you can see, authentication and then connected. So I disconnected it. So let me just reconnect it again. You come over here to your status and then you check the logs, and you see that it is reconnecting to the server. So right now it shows connected on here, and when you look on top here, you can see that there's this key icon right here, and it shows that it is connected on your server. Now this gives you 30 minutes to use the 800 megabytes daily. And so as you can see, there is a timer moving on, and the timer is continuously running. And so let me go back and test to show you if it is actually working. All right, so as you can see, YouTube is working, everything is working. Let's go back to the app, and the next thing I want to show you is how to connect the hotspot tethering. And so you come over here, you click on the hamburger icon, you click on hotspot tether, and then you click on share internet. Toggle the share internet button on. Now you notice that it says hotspot is not active, so you have to turn on your hotspot. So you're going to turn on your mobile hotspot from your control center. You turn on your hotspot, and once the hotspot is on, you click on share internet. And so the best thing about this VPN is that the fact that you're able to get a VPN to browse for freely and also get the option to share your internet is amazing. And so once you're done, you can easily click on stop if you are done, or there is an option here. You can click on this sun button to change the theme of the app to go to light mode and dark mode and all that. And so ladies and gentlemen, if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section. Do also give us a thumbs up and subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever we drop more awesome content like this, you would be notified. So we meet again. My name is Apia Mera. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.